Alright, it's Sunday afternoon. The wife has had me busy out in the yard and in the house and the garage all day getting ready for winter. In Wisconsin, you never know how quick they're going to come. I've got a brand new jet lathe here. It's a mini 1221 variable speed. I've had this for about 9 months now, and this is its maiden voyage. I'm going to give her a shot and see how she'll turn a bowl. Well, that didn't go so good. I think we blew it up. Not good. Not good at all. The belt's mounted correctly. Well, this thing definitely can't take the kind of pressure I put on my big 3520 Powermatic. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's try again. Wow. Well, initial test, I'm not so sure. After turning on a big Delta lathe for a couple years and now turning on the Powermatic 3520, I'm used to really leaning into the wood with the chisel. Now granted, this is a piece of hard maple and it is dry, and we're only turning a 9-inch bowl, but I thought it would be able to handle a little bit more than this, especially turning in the low range. There's nothing binding, it's turning freely, but it really can't take the kind of pressure I'm putting on it. Very disappointed, very disappointed. This is a freshly sharpened chisel. Maybe this will make a difference. After running the Powermatic for so many years, I keep wanting to reach to the left to turn this one off. It's going to take some getting used to it being on the right. But the way this is going, I might just stick to turning pins on this lathe. I'm not impressed at all. That knot's making it awful hard to get around the corner here. So I'm going to take my scraper, scrape this down, see if I can true it up just a little bit. Then I'm going to rough sand it and then turn it around and go at it from the inside of the bowl and see what I can get out of it. Alright, let's see. All right. Okay, we've got the outside of the bowl sanded to 220. Looks pretty good. And now we're going to take a hit at the inside of the bowl. Well, I tell you what, guys, after attempting to do the inside of this bowl on the jet lathe, I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to have to go back over and do it, finish it on the Powermatic. The Powermatic 3520. And we're going to see how we can do turning it on here. Let there be light. People, let me tell you, when you've been cutting on that little jet lathe, making 1/16 of an inch cuts and stopping the lathe, and then you come to a Powermatic 3520, it's just a 2-horse motor, but I'm taking off 1/4 inch cuts at a time. Bigger lathe, definitely worth it if you can afford it. Oh my gosh. Alright, we've got that about as close as we can get it using the scraper. Now I'm going to go after it with the high-speed sander. Alright, once I get that done, then I'll be back.